Our next trace mineral is selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral that exists in many readily absorbable forms in our foods. Its most well understood role is in aiding the activity of the body's natural chemical antioxidant enzyme, glutathione peroxidase. In its functioning as part of our natural antioxidant enzyme system, selenium helps to protect the heart and other cells from oxidative stress, and selenium spares vitamin E. In this role, it may aid in cancer prevention, but more research is needed. Finally, selenium is important to the activation of the thyroid hormone T3. Selenium content in food is highly dependent on the selenium content of the soil where plants are raised and where animals graze. Therefore, selenium content of foods can differ around the world. Worldwide, only one area has such low soil selenium that deficiencies have resulted. This area of China is where scientists initially saw selenium deficiencies, which are characterized by muscle wasting, pain, weakness, and deterioration of the heart muscle. The RDA for adults is 55 micrograms per day, and the average intake exceeds the RDA in most areas of the world. While we discussed selenium is present in most foods, both animal and plant, its richest source is in protein foods and grains. However, it's important to note that selenium content of the soil is influential in the selenium content of both plant and animal foods. There is an upper level for selenium intake of 400 micrograms per day due to overt signs of toxicity, such as hair loss, nausea, vomiting, weakness, rashes, and cirrhosis of the liver. High intake of selenium from the diet is unlikely, with the exception of overconsumption of Brazil nuts, which contain 960 micrograms of selenium per 10 nuts. This oversupplementation is usually seen as a consequence of supplement abuse.